along. In today's video, we are going to make a delicious salsa. This recipe is so simple and easy to make. We are going to need tomatoes, coriander, onion, green chili, garlic, and a little bit of ginger. So it's so easy that anyone can make it at home, but it's so delicious. Add your chili, then add a little bit of salt to taste, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Slowly you blend it.